How's it going, guys? I'm Tanner Durfee.
I'm Christopher Wedigan.
These are our survey results from Happy Mind Equals a Happy Life, our significant project workshop from a spring 2019 semester.
So first up, we have our demographics, gender. So a majority of respondents were male at 55.3% and 43.6% were female.
So our next question we asked was what grade you're in. Majority of the students that participated in our workshop were sophomores at 34% and then freshmen at 33%. We even had some juniors at 22.9% and some seniors at 10.1%.
Next up, we had our self-care question. So we asked, do you feel like you take care of yourself enough? A good majority at 56.4% said yes, while about a third of students said maybe, and 10% said no.
So then we asked the students, what do you love most about yourself? Just us trying to get some information on what students like most about themselves, and most of them, or 18% of them, the highest percentage we found, liked physical aspects or physical traits of themselves like hair, eyes, stuff along those lines. And then at 17% we had the students liked how kind they were, and then at 15% students even said they like everything. And then of course 16% said personality.
Then we asked, how often do you exercise a week? So a good amount, 31.4% said 3 to 4 times, and then 29.3% said 5 or more times, and then for 1 to 2 times they said 26% said that, and then not at all was at 13.3%.
Then we asked students, are you eating 3 meals a day, especially breakfast, because we all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day. The plurality of the students said yes at 39.4%. At 31.9%, students said no, I don't eat breakfast, but I eat 3 meals or 3 meals a day. And then the rest of it is I eat 2 meals a day, but I don't eat breakfast, or I don't eat lunch and I eat breakfast and dinner. Just some exceptions to the question.
And then we asked, who should you talk to if you're struggling with your mental health? So a good plurality of students chose parents at over 40%. The second closest was friends at 25%. And some students said they would talk to no one at 13%. 9% said counselors. What surprised us about this was we thought most people would say their friends, but actually more people said their parents.
So we also asked students, what are some things you can do to take better care of yourself? And the plurality of the students said positivity, just having a positive mindset, having a positive outlook on the situation at hand, and that didn't surprise us at all. We predicted that. And then at 18%, the students said eating, make sure you're eating 3 meals a day. That would help students. And then sleeping, of course, getting more sleep, having a consistent sleep schedule, not staying up super late. Both of those were not a surprise to us as well.
And then we had our depression test screening results from Mental Health America's website. So over 40% of students had minimal depression, which is good. That's the lowest amount of depression level. Total of 26.6% were at mild depression, which is still not bad. And then over 30% were between moderate to severe depression, which is where it tends to get kind of a little scary there. So that's what we were most concerned about when we saw those results.
But the good thing about it is only 5% are in that severe depression rate. So that was low, and we were happy to see that number low. So the last question we asked students was, what is your biggest challenge right now? And this did not surprise us at all. The highest percentage that we found was school and or grades, the second highest being motivation and focus, and then the third being time management and self-discipline. Those three did not surprise us. We did think that social life and friendships were going to be a little bit higher, but we weren't surprised by the school and or grades and the time management aspect. So we just wanted to thank everyone for your time.
And we just wanted to say that make sure you should take care of yourself and get more sleep, eat better, eat 3 meals a day, exercise more a week.
And just remember that there's always someone out there that loves you and cares about you. Don't ever forget that. Have a great summer, have fun, and good luck on your next school year.
Thank you.